Welcome to Lupita's Kitchen. Yes, I'm talking to you, and you, and you, and you back there. Come on, come and join us. I am going to be teaching you today how to make egg rolls. And the ingredients that we're gonna use are all natural super sweet corn, egg roll wraps, each container it's about a pound. We're gonna use carrots, we're gonna use cabbage, salt, and very important, we're gonna use chicken bouillon, caldo de pollo. This is something that I use a lot in my cooking. I will be posting the recipe at the end of my video, so stay tuned. Let's get started. We're gonna get started by cutting the cabbage, and we're gonna cut it in four. We're gonna cut this and make it thin. Don't make it too thick. I have previously peeled the carrots, and now that it's nice and clean, this is what we're gonna do. One of the other ingredients that we will be needing today is Jimmy Dean premium pork sausage. This is 2 pounds. The sausage has been cooking for about 10 minutes now, and this is how it looks. Now, one tip, you need to make sure that you keep stirring the meat the whole time, because if you don't, it will get stuck on the bottom of the pot. So this still has another 8 minutes left, because we want to make sure that the sausage cooks all the way so nobody gets sick. The sausage has been cooking for about 20 minutes now, and this is how it looks. It's nice and cooked. I tasted it. I taste a little piece. And it's good. Now we're gonna add carrots. I'm sorry. Now we're gonna add corn, and it's pre-cooked corn. I'm going to add the 2 bags of super sweet corn. And then we're going to stir. The corn has been cooking for about 7 minutes. See, now it's nice and cooked. And now what we're going to do is we're going to add the carrots. The carrots have been cooking for 10 minutes now, along with the corn that has already cooked before. We're going to add the cabbage now. Now we just need to stir. So it's been cooking for 10 minutes. See the consistency of it with the cabbage. This is the finished product. Make sure you don't overcook the cabbage. I forgot to mention that we will actually be using eggs. I'm gonna start with at least 1, but you should have at least 2 eggs. We're gonna start with 1. We're gonna mix, just like that. So we're gonna start with the first egg roll. Place it like that. And we're gonna use the egg to put it on the edges. And then go like that. I like my egg rolls to be pretty full, so I'm gonna use 1 of these tablespoons and just a little bit more. So you're gonna place it like so. And you grab this corner and you, with your fingers, just go like that and press the first one. Make sure everything is in. And then you're going to press this over right there, and this one over here, right there. And then you're going to roll. And as you roll, and make sure you put your fingers in and to push in the meat, the sausage, and all the ingredients. So there we go. Press, press, see? And roll. There you go. So this is the first egg roll. Turn up the heat to about halfway. And we're going to add the vegetable oil. And you're going to need quite a bit of oil because you want to make sure that the egg roll is going to be covered pretty good. And you're going to let it get pretty hot, but don't let it burn. If you start seeing a little bit of smoke coming out, then that's too much, so you turn down the temperature. But for now, I'm just going to let it get hot. So we're ready to start frying the egg rolls. Hopefully you have some help. Someone helping you. One person fries and the other one is making the egg rolls. But if not, make sure that you only make at least 3 egg rolls at a time, or depending how big your pan is, because you don't want to make too many of them or finish making all of them and then start frying, because the juices of the sausage and the vegetables and everything that we prepared, it's going to start getting too wet and the egg roll wrap will start coming apart. So make sure that you just make a few. You see right there? And it's just a medium heat after the oil was pretty hot, but not burning. So, and then you turn it. And we're just gonna cook them where the egg roll wrap starts getting like a gold color. They're starting to look like a gold, pretty color. And see, the heat is about medium. And I have here paper towel, so the extra oil will go onto the paper towel. Here we have them, finally. See that gold, pretty color? We're gonna put them right here on the paper towel. Make sure you drain them as much as possible right there, and then put it right there and right there. I'm gonna turn down the temperature. So here we have the egg rolls ready to go. I'm gonna place them in the plate right there. Now, what I'm gonna use to eat the egg rolls with is this green tomatillo sauce. And I show how to make the tomatillo sauce for my enchiladas. I will go ahead and link the other video down in the description box. So you can take a look at it if you want to learn how to make the sauce. But that's how that's what I want to use to dip my egg roll. So it's ready to go. So here you dip it, and then you try it. They are delicious. By the way, I forgot to tell you guys that delicious. This is delicious. I wish you could try it. But then you got my recipe now, so you can actually make them. By the way, I forgot to tell you that I'm a flight attendant, and this is actually what's in my food bag. I love making these egg rolls and packing them, and I like to actually pack them with foil paper, and it's perfect. They are delicious. Even if you eat them cold, they don't need to be even warm. You can eat them cold and they still taste so good. So if you want to see what else I put in my food bag, comment down below and let me know, and I will go ahead and make a video of other foods that I like to pack in my food bag. Okay, so we're done. I hope you like my video, and I hope you can learn from it. And if you have any questions or comments, go ahead and let me know. And please, go ahead and make them. My gorgeous friends, give me a big thumbs up, share it with your friends. I hope you like my video. Oh, and don't forget to click on the bell so that way you'll be notified next time I upload my next video. And remember, every day may not be good, but there's something good in every day. Super.